Hello, my name is Peligrino. I'm an award-winning book writer, physicist, and new dog owner. Today, I am going to be talking to you dummies about Sir Isaac Newton's 3 laws of motion and Sir Isaac Newton for Dummies. Law number 1. An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This is often called the law of inertia. I sure could go for an example. For my first example of Newton's first law, I'm at a restaurant. I'm having a great time. Except, well, my food hasn't gotten here yet. I'm playing with the light bulb, and it broke. That was a good example, because whenever the light bulb was on the table, it was at rest. Nothing was wrong with it. And whenever my hand acted on it, it moved. Let's do that again. And then, wow.
Here is another great example of Newton's first law of motion. That ball right now is at rest, and will continue to stay at rest until a force acts on it. And that force is my foot. Whoopee!
Law number 2. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater mass of an object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. Examples.
For our first example of Newton's second law of motion, we have this kid right here on a swing set. How are you doing?
Good.
Are you having a good time?
Yes.
Okay. Well, so first, we're gonna push her with a light force. You can see she's not going that high. But we're gonna stop her and push her again with a stronger force. Now she's going a lot higher than she was before. This has to do with the equation force equals mass times acceleration. For this example, I am applying a small amount of force to a constant mass, and therefore I am accelerating slowly. But for this example, the world's about to end, and so I am applying more force, therefore I'm accelerating quickly.
Law number 3. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
This right here, that is a very good example of Newton's third law of motion. See this kid right here? He's dribbling the basketball up and down. What's happening is, as he pushes the basketball down to Earth is pushing back up on the basketball. This has to do with Newton's third law of motion because with every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. And for my third example of Newton's 3 laws of motion, I am going to be pushing it against this wall, hoping I'll break it. As you can see, my arms are exerting a force on this wall, but nothing is happening.
Well, there you have it. You now know about Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion and how they can be applied to the real world. Congratulations! If you enjoyed this moving picture, be sure to check out all my other educational VHSs at Blockbuster stores nationwide. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Whoopee!